liver. I'm using a style of pepper fry, but with mushroom. So the chicken liver is washed. I think you need to wash 4 or 5 times after cutting. So see, not into dices because I want it like that. Then I'm using mushrooms as well. Mushroom and liver should cook at the same. I cut the thickness like this, equal size of the liver, so it should cook together. So now ginger garlic paste, half a tablespoon, turmeric powder, half a teaspoon, chili powder, 1 tablespoon, then rice flour, 1 teaspoon. Now adding fresh pepper, quarter of it, salt. You can adjust by taste. Now adding some sliced onions. Now adding oil, adding curry leaf. Now ginger. Ginger is thinly sliced. Sliced green chilies. Now mix everything together. So just leave it for half an hour. So now the pan is hot. I put up to 1 tablespoon of oil. Now just chuck it in everything. Leave it like this for at least 2 minutes so it sears nicely one side. Then we start mixing. So now just add in chicken stock water. So cook it like this for another 3 minutes. Then finish off with coriander leaf. So now to finish off, coriander leaf, just break and then put it in. Mix it. That's ready. Now you can plate it up. A nice plate with the liver and the mushroom. Some pickled onions, pickled ginger, coriander leaf. And then for a bit of crunchiness, toasted black and white sesame seed.